Hello friends, now we see the next part, degree of differential equation. For that we take one example, that is d2y by dx square to the power 3 plus dy by dx plus y square equal to 0. So here is one of the differential equation. Now we want to find out the degree of this differential equation. So the degree of differential equation is the power of highest derivative, highest order derivative after the equation is rationalized, power of the highest derivative. So here one derivative is there, dy by dx. Here one derivative is there, d2y by dx square. So here no number is there, so it is dy by dx, it is first derivative. Here d2y by dx square, so this is the highest derivative in this equation, and the power of this highest derivative is 3. So the degree of this differential equation is 3. So here we say that degree of this equation is 3. So we say that the highest power of the derivative, power derivative's power, it is known as the degree of differential equation. Now we take one another example. If we say that d2y by dt square plus dy by dt plus 7 equal to 0. So in this equation also, here two derivatives are there, dy by dt and d2y by dt square. So here what is the power of highest derivative? Highest derivative is d2y by dt square, and its power is 1. The power of this highest order derivative is 1. Therefore the degree of this equation is 1. जो हायेस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह त्याची पॉवर, द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ हायेस्ट पॉवर इज 1. या ठिकाणी काहीच नाही म्हणजे 1 आहे. देअरफॉर द डिग्री ऑफ दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज नोन ॲज द degree of differential equation. Here it is 1. Now we take one next part, that is the order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. The order of differential equation is the highest derivative in that particular equation. त्या इक्वेशन मधला जो हायेस्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे, that is known as the order of that differential equation. Suppose if we say that, if we take one example, y dy by dt minus xy equal to 0. Now here dy by dt, so the power of d is 1. So here we say that order of this particular equation is 1. If we take one another example, that is d2y by dx square plus dy by dx plus 7y equal to 0. Here the highest power of the derivative is 2, so the order is 2. So again we say that the order of differential equation is the order of highest derivative containing that equation. ज्या इक्वेशन मध्ये हायेस्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे त्याची जी काही पॉवर असेल, इट इज नोन ॲज द ऑर्डर ऑफ दॅट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. इफ वी टेक वन अनदर एक्झाम्पल, दॅट इज d3y by dx cube plus d2y by dx square plus 9 dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Now here the power of the higher derivative is 3, therefore the order is 3. the order and degree. These two are the different things. Degree in which the power of the highest derivative. The power of the highest derivative, it is known as degree, and the highest derivative containing in that equation, it is known as order of that differential equation. Okay, so these are few different examples are there, by we say that we can easily understand the order of differential equation. We take few different examples again. The one first which I have taken, that is dy by dx plus 3x equal to 5. Here the highest power of that derivative is 1, therefore order is 1. If we take one another example, that is d2y by dt square plus omega t equal to 0. So here the highest power is 2, therefore the order is 2. So in this way we can easily understand the order of differential equation. Okay, thank you.